How to write an SEO optimized blog post with ChatGPT. So first I'll go ahead and generate a title or specific keyword we will focus on. For example, how to travel in Bali. Okay, let's sheet some keywords. You can use this website, by the way, keywordcheater.com. It will give you a lot of keywords. Okay, I see one I actually like. So let me stop this right here. Scroll up, how to travel in Bali with kids. I'll do this. Let's do a blog post about this. So this is the prompt I want you to use. All right, here we go. So you are a professional SEO-friendly blog post writer. So I'm giving it a persona. All right. Now I'm telling it to write me an outline first. You don't want to go ahead and make it start spitting out a whole blog post. First, let it write an outline. Go ahead and edit the outline with it. Let it know what you're happy with, what you're not. Make some edits first. And then you want it to write the whole blog post step by step, part by part. Okay, not the whole thing. It basically confuses ChatGPT. So here we're asking it to create an outline on of the blog post on the below topic. So below, which means after this colon, it knows this is the topic. Okay, we have to be very specific so it knows where the topic actually is. I want it to make sure that it's SEO friendly and it uses keyword. So I also want to integrate these keywords into the outline as well. Okay, so the part. Now go ahead and feed this in. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. All right, this is good. This is good. I like this. All right, this is perfect. It is actually using a lot of keywords. Now, once it's done, I'm going to ask it this prompt right here. All right, so now I'm asking you to write the first part of the blog post outline in, at least 3 paragraphs. Be specific how much you want it to write, what length you want. So I've asked it to remember to make it SEO friendly using keywords. Keep reminding it every time. Otherwise, ChatGPT will end up forgetting what it was doing. Okay, keep reminding it. So I'm going to give it this prompt. And as you can see, it is using a lot of keywords right here. As you can see, wow, this is really good. And I'm happy with this. So for example, family-friendly accommodations, dining options, and a lot of different ones. So I'm going to ask you to do the next part. The next part. And of course, if you wanted to write in other tones, you can ask it to do that as well. And there we go, guys. This is the next part. As you can see, there's a lot of keywords, family-friendly destination, Bali's kid-friendly beaches, right? So you can go ahead and use this to create the rest of your blog post while making it SEO friendly.